Yo gamers, Apple Arcade just dropped 3 epic new games for 2025, ready to rival Xbox Game Pass and PlayStation Plus. Ready to dive into these fresh titles? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest gaming news. Let's explore Apple Arcade's latest. Apple added 3 killer games to Apple Arcade's 200-plus title catalog: Outlanders 2, Punch Kick Duck, and Zen Koi Pro Plus, with unique games you won't find elsewhere. Is Apple Arcade stealing the subscription crown? Keep watching. First up, Outlanders 2 brings strategic survival with charming visuals, perfect for building your dream village. Punch Kick Duck Plus is a fast-paced brawler with quirky cartoon vibes, ideal for quick action sessions. Zen Koi Pro Plus offers serene pond management, letting you breed stunning koi fish. These exclusives add fresh flavors to Apple Arcade's diverse lineup. Apple Arcade's subscription service delivers over 200 games across iPhone, iPad, Mac, and Apple TV, blending genres from indie gems to family-friendly hits. Unlike Xbox Cloud Gaming, you download games for offline play, and every title's ad-free with no in-app purchases. It's a gamer's paradise with exclusives you can't play anywhere else. Want to try it? Apple Arcade's easy to join, but if you need to cancel, head to appleid.ly/subup, sign in, go to subscriptions, select Apple Arcade, and hit cancel subscription. You'll keep access until your billing cycle ends. Simple and stress-free. These new titles show Apple Arcade's heating up, challenging big players like EA Play and Game Pass with unique, high-quality games. Download Outlanders 2, Punch Kick Duck, or Zen Koi Pro Plus today. Which game's calling you? Drop it below. That's the scoop on Apple Arcade's 3 new games. Are you hyped for Punch Kick Duck's action or Zen Koi's chill vibes? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more gaming updates.